Let's check out some of the best events happening in Atlanta this spring. Hey, I'm Kristen with Unexpected Atlanta. We hope that you'll join us for one of our history and food walking tours soon. Now in this video, we're checking out the best things to do, see, and eat this spring, whether you're an Atlanta local or a tourist. So let's get into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is check out the Atlanta Film Festival. This is the region's largest and longest running celebrations of cinema. Film screenings and activities take place in venues all across the city, including the Plaza Theater here behind me. This 10-day long festival is host to over 150 films from genres including independent, documentary, animated, short films, and more. Plus, you can enjoy additional events such as workshops, networking opportunities, and award ceremonies. Welcoming more than 25,000 film enthusiasts each year. So whether you're a fan or a filmmaker, the Atlanta Film Festival has something for everyone. Looking to get outdoors this spring? Join the fun of the Atlanta Dogwood Festival at Piedmont Park. This family-friendly event is a can't-miss Atlanta spring activity. This April, attend one of the biggest spring festivals in one of Atlanta's largest parks. A local favorite for over 80 years, the Atlanta Dogwood Festival takes place in Midtown Atlanta, drawing people from across the country. This immersive festival is also host to a nationally renowned artist market. They showcase sculptures, paintings, pottery, jewelry, photography, and more. Plus, you can enjoy live music performances, international acts, a 5K run, and even a kids' village. The fun all kicks off right here behind me at Piedmont Park. Finally, travel back to medieval Europe this spring with a day trip to the Georgia Renaissance Festival in Fairburn. Enjoy costumes and characters, live music and comedy, acrobats, jugglers, dancers, magicians, jousting performances, the list goes on. Plus, explore the event's artisan market featuring arts and crafts with live demonstrations like spinning and weaving. And while you explore, be sure to feast on a turkey leg or stop by the pub to keep the fun going. Rated as one of the top 20 events in the southeastern United States, this festival is an Atlanta must-see this spring. And check out more Atlanta Spring experiences at unexpectedatlanta.com, like our Grant Park food tour. Come see why our walking tours have nearly 1,500 five-star reviews on TripAdvisor. And be sure and hit that like and subscribe buttons to stay in the know for all things Atlanta. We can't wait to see you around this spring.